Understanding your email performance is key, but sometimes you need that data outside the platform. In this video, I'll show you how to export email marketing data in HighLevel so that you can analyze, share, and report on your results more effectively. For example, you can export campaign performance and send it directly to a client or team member. Let's take a look at how it works. Inside your HighLevel sub account, you're going to come all the way down to marketing on the left-hand side, and then make your way up to emails. From there, we have statistics, campaigns, and templates. Under statistics, let's say we have data that we want to export. Right at the top here, we have the export button on the right-hand side. All you have to do is select the filters that you want to capture your data between, and then click on the export button next to it. You can choose the person you want to send the information to, so just type the email and click on enter. Please note that you can add up to 5 emails when exporting the data. To add more, just type the email and click on the enter button. Once you're ready, click on export, and that data will be sent to them via email. The people receiving that data will receive an email that looks like this, that they can click on this button to download the CSV file. If you want to view your past email exports, then you can come over to the right-hand side over here, click on the 3 dots, and then click on recent exports. Additionally, you can also come over to campaigns, click on the settings button over here, and then make your way down to recent exports. That will show you a list of all the CSV files that were recently exported, who it was exported by, when it was done, as well as on the right-hand side here, a place where you can download the file. And that's how you can export email marketing data in HighLevel to simplify reporting and gain deeper insights into your campaigns. If you want to learn more about this feature and others just like it, head over to the Content Army YouTube playlist, the help docs, or the Did You Know blog. The links will be in the description below. That's it for this one. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.